Hello, welcome to my watercolor gathering today. I'm really happy you joined me, and I hope this helps you in your watercolor journey. So on a piece of 9 by 12 Canson 140-pound cold pressed paper, I'm using some washi tape just to break up the page. Here are the 3 colors of paint I'm using, and you'll find them in the comments below. And I'm using 3 different brushes. And first of all, I'm going to wet the page, but not the whole page. I'm going to leave some dry paper. And then that will set the stage to paint these small paintings, but be loose with this. And in general, I'm creating sort of an abstract landscape. What is also interesting with this exercise is using these 3 colors and just playing with the colors and mixing them as they flow on the paper and seeing what beautiful grays that you can get and beautiful sort of bluish greens. And it helps you learn how the paints react with one another. Now I'm also going to use some spatter on this. And now that I've got the 5 little paintings done, I'm going to remove the washi tape, which is low tack, so it helps not to tear the paper. Then I'm going to take it off my board. And then I'm going to see how these small paintings look when you cut them up. And then just to see, I'm framing them out with a mat just to see what they might look like. And once you get them cut out, you might be able to just mount them on a watercolor card. I use Strathmore watercolor cards that I buy online, and they make a really nice greeting card, and then they can be framed. And here you'll see the final product. I have some that I mounted on cards and some that I'm able to actually put in a mat and make them ready for framing. I hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next watercolor gathering. Hope you enjoyed this and hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave any comments that you might have below. Thanks a lot for joining me.